Hey guys, welcome back at Diverse at 3 a.m. and this is part 10. Let's get to it. Okay, I'm back to the one in my app where I am. Let's go. Oh, what happens when you jump down with the bike on it? Let's go. Oh. Okay. Can I get back in the water? Oh. Yeah, I got soaking wet now. Let's not do that again. Hello, sir. I would like purchase the plate. Woo! Okay. Okay. Oh, just push someone off the. Okay, there we go. He's gonna respawn. Yep, he did. He did teleport somewhere. There we go. Let's go home. Okay, I got you the plate thing, whatever. It's souvenir. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, what's going on? Whoa! Oh, the whole thing's lagging.
Oh, fiddlesticks. What now?
Smuggle ending. Alright, that's it right now. Alright, thank you for watching. Do part 11. Peace out.